So our bed is going here, it's going to be folded up against the wall. So what I was concerned about with the Polyvision blinds is that you couldn't really lean against it. So we thought we'll go for like a 12mm sliding panel, I'm going to call it, which slides right into the cavity here. But then I think it's quite nifty really. You can still operate the window, the window's still closed properly. Which kind of makes sense, I think. I know, nice and secure. Just thought we'll share this with you. If you have a look down there, you can see like the little tracks we've made.